Welcome to Simple Investing Secrets. In today's video, we'll talk about 12 reasons why investors should buy Tesla stock in 2023 and beyond. So before we start, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates. Let's get started. Tesla is a stock that is seemingly in the news every day. For starters, the innovative electric vehicle maker has shaken up the entire automotive industry with its extremely popular product line, and investors and the general public alike have a keen interest in what the company will do next. Tesla stock is one of the most impressive stock market performers of the last few years. Although its share price has already gained more than 13,000% in 10 years, it is not too late to buy it and bet on its future growth. But Tesla's sometimes controversial CEO, Elon Musk, also keeps the company in the news, both with his bold business moves and with his always newsworthy tweets and public comments. Both aspects of the company's headline making quality play a role in the day-to-day movements of Tesla stock, which is particularly important for investors. Tesla stock has declined by roughly 19% in the fourth quarter of 2022. Multiple factors are weighing on the stock. First of all, Tesla is still struggling because CEO Elon Musk recently bought the social media company Twitter. Even though Mr. Musk bought the social media company in his name, he sold Tesla shares to pay for the purchase and got the cash to manage the social media company, which is losing money and has a lot of debt. The naysayers have been having a field day with Tesla, citing all sorts of negative trends that could imperil the electric vehicle EV maker. But the naysayers have been wrong before. That's not to say the company doesn't face challenges, it does. But some of the challenges are the same for all automakers, while others are unique to the company. With that said, let's look at 10 reasons why investors should buy Tesla stock in 2023 and beyond. Number 12. Tesla's continued growth. Some analysts were focusing on the admission by management on an earnings call that it expects to come up short of the 50% growth goal for 2022 vehicle deliveries compared to last year. Tesla management team still believes that it will meet that goal for vehicle production. The difference will be due to shipping bottlenecks the company has been experiencing. Due to these logistics problems, in the third quarter of 2022, Tesla made 22,000 more cars than it delivered. But those cars have buyers and aren't just going into inventory. Whether customers take ownership in one quarter versus another shouldn't matter to long-term investors. And it's not just production that is growing at a fast rate. Total revenue grew 56% year over year in Q3, and net income more than doubled. Number 11. Profitability remains strong. Another concern for some investors is how Tesla's profit margins will hold up as competitors start to enter the market en masse. The automotive gross margin did drop 258 basis points year over year. That's not too surprising, since the costs of materials and labor are going up and supply chain problems are making it harder for companies to get what they need. But Tesla's automotive gross margin held steady at 27.9% versus the prior quarter. That implies that the company is making up for added expenses. Musk recently told investors that he thinks inflation-related supplier costs will add an extra $1 billion to its costs in Q3 of 2022 alone. Tesla has raised prices on its products, and investors should take it as a good sign that those price hikes are helping and are also not sapping demand. Number 10. Contributions from other products. Some Tesla detractors point to the company's limited product lineup, which hasn't been updated in years. But the electric semi-truck will begin deliveries on December 1st to its first customer, PepsiCo. The Cybertruck is also on the final lap, according to CEO Elon Musk, and should begin deliveries next year. Down the road, Tesla is expected to introduce a lower-priced electric vehicle EV that will expand its product line of passenger vehicles. Musk also told investors that the company is working as quickly as possible to increase battery production capacity. Its energy division also includes battery storage and solar rooftops and has more demand than it can supply. Sales from that division represented 5% of total revenue in Q3 of 2022 as its energy storage deployments jumped 62% year over year. All of that should result in many years of growth from different places for Tesla. Some investors may be concerned about the current state of the economy. Musk responded to this by saying that Tesla's business is recession resistant because electric cars are becoming more popular around the world. Individual investors should be looking at where Tesla will be years from now. Tesla looks to be well positioned. Its valuation remains high, with a trailing 12-month price to earnings (PE) ratio of around 60. But if Tesla continues to grow production and net income at these levels, those long-term investors who buy at current price levels would seem to be making a good investment. Number 9. The long-awaited semi-truck. 5 years after it was first announced, Tesla finally showed off its 18-wheel long-haul electric semi-freight truck at the beginning of December 2022. Musk has also hinted at plans to build a charging network for long-distance trucks. Musk did not specify how much the 18-wheeler costs. The semi can travel about 500 miles on a single charge and can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 20 seconds. Tesla expects to ramp up production over the next year and aims to deliver 50,000 units in 2024. The first Tesla semi-trucks are going to PepsiCo in California. Pepsi placed its order for 100 EVs when the semi was first announced in 2017. We are bullish on demand for the semi as TSLA moves forward with ramping production of the truck to 50,000 units in 2024, seeing considerable appetite from large corporations seeking to reduce their carbon footprints, CFRA analyst Garrett Nelson said in a recent note to clients. Shipping out the first new semis would mark a win, in a year when Tesla's stock is down sharply. But even though Tesla's stock fell in 2022, the company is still the leader in the global electric vehicle market. Number 8. It's a diversified company. About 80% of Tesla's total revenue comes from its vehicles, but it's a diversified company that offers investors the opportunity to buy into an exciting range of new and emerging technologies with a single stock purchase. Tesla makes its own battery systems, solar technology equipment, supercharger stations, vehicle service centers, and software and hardware for self-driving cars. In total, Musk estimates more than a dozen startups exist under the Tesla brand. Number 7. Tesla is the major EV player. Currently, when it comes to electric vehicles produced worldwide, Tesla is the major player. The company has a market share of 15%, followed by Volkswagen and General Motors. In 2021, the size of the electric car industry was $287 billion. Third-party research firms expect this number to grow to $1.3 trillion by 2028. Tesla is the biggest player in this industry due to its cutting-edge technology and customer loyalty. That means it will naturally be a beneficiary of this industry's growth. However, keep in mind that strong competition from other big EV players like Lucid and Rivian, as well as from traditional automakers like Ford, can pose a threat to Tesla's frenetic growth. Number 6. Tesla's other growth divisions. Tesla has 3 segments, something even many investors don't know yet but will learn. In addition to its EV division, the company has an energy generation and storage division and a services and other division, both of which are growing rapidly. Number 5. Tesla's innovations. Tesla is always coming up with new ideas for both how its cars look and how they work. This helps it stand out from the competition and give its customers the most comfortable rides possible. Number 4. Strong brand image. Tesla has a strong brand image, and people expect the company to make clean energy products that are also profitable. The company has been able to win over the public over time. Tesla has one of the highest customer ratings of any company in the world. That's one of the 3 things savvy investors know about Tesla stock. Number 3. Multiple strategic partnerships. Tesla often works with other companies, especially in the energy and renewable energy industries, to position itself globally in this market. Number 2. Future technologies. It's no secret that Elon Musk is regularly trying to push the company's technology forward. As Tesla works to improve the AI systems in self-driving cars, they inch closer and closer to fully self-driving vehicles, or as Tesla calls it FSD. With the development of autonomous and autopilot technology for its cars, Tesla is attracting a lot of investors because it could make even more money. Tesla is also working on a specialized supercomputer designed to power future Tesla products. Another future Tesla project unveiled is a humanoid robot named Optimus. When the humanoid was announced, Tesla used a real human in a futuristic suit to give investors an idea of what they might expect. We should get an update with a more fully realized prototype at this year's AI Day. Number 1. Tesla's fundamentals. Lastly, Tesla's fundamentals are still strong and the company just reported its best month of sales since its Shanghai factory opened in late 2020. Its sales total of 100,291 electric vehicles in November 2022, which was a 40% increase from October and 89.7% higher year-over-year. Tesla has the lowest cost EV battery packs according to a new report from Cairn Energy Research Advisors. The company averages $142 per kilowatt-hour versus $169 per kilowatt-hour at GM. However, both are less than the industry average of $186 per kilowatt-hour. Given the much tougher future faced by its upstart EV rivals, Tesla looks like a solid bet. Certainly it's not the time to sell as it remains a solid buy among EV stocks. This concludes our list of the 12 reasons why investors should buy Tesla stock in 2023 and beyond. Before putting your hard-earned money into buying stocks or investing in the market, you should always do your research. Let us know in the comments below if you think Tesla stock is a good buy in 2023 and beyond. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates on the best stocks to buy and cutting-edge investment strategies for building wealth. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your investments.